Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Gut health is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being that often goes overlooked. The gut, usually called our second brain, plays a significant role in various bodily functions, including digestion, immune response, and mental health. When we talk about gut health, we primarily refer to the balance of bacteria and other microorganisms in our digestive system. These gut bacteria are not just passive inhabitants. They actively influence our health by aiding digestion, synthesizing vitamins, and protecting against harmful pathogens. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of gut bacteria and explore how they impact our daily lives. You'll learn about the different gut bacteria types and how they contribute to our health. We'll also discuss the role of dietary supplements in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. From probiotics to prebiotics, understanding these supplements can empower you to make informed choices that support your gut health. Moreover, we'll emphasize why gut health is essential in our daily routines. A well-balanced gut can lead to improved digestion, enhanced mood, and even better skin health. By prioritizing gut health, you can experience increased energy levels and a more robust immune system. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your digestion, or feel better overall, understanding and nurturing your gut health is vital in achieving your wellness goals. Join us as we uncover the secrets to a healthier gut and a happier you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding gut health. Gut health refers to the balance and function of the microorganisms in our digestive tract, which play a pivotal role in our overall health. A healthy gut is essential for effective digestion, as it helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. When our gut health is compromised, it can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and even more severe conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, a well-functioning gut is crucial for a robust immune system. Approximately 70% of our immune cells reside in the gut, making it a frontline defender against pathogens and infections. The bacteria in our gut, known as the gut microbiome, significantly influence our mental and physical health. These microorganisms produce various compounds that can affect our mood and cognitive functions. For instance, certain gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone. This connection highlights the importance of maintaining a balanced gut microbiome for emotional well-being. One of the most intriguing concepts in gut health is the gut-brain axis, which describes the bidirectional communication between the gut and the brain. This connection means that what happens in our gut can directly impact our mental state and vice versa. Stress and anxiety can disrupt gut health, while an unhealthy gut can contribute to feelings of depression and anxiety. Understanding this relationship underscores the importance of nurturing our gut health for physical wellness, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Your gut bacteria and you. The relationship between gut bacteria and health is fascinating and complex. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, including various bacteria, each playing a unique role in our overall health. Broadly, these bacteria can be categorized into beneficial and harmful types. Beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, aid in digestion, produce essential vitamins, and help protect against dangerous pathogens. On the other hand, harmful bacteria can lead to infections and digestive issues if they proliferate unchecked. Maintaining a diverse gut microbiome is crucial for optimal health. Lifestyle choices significantly impact this diversity. Diet is one of the most influential factors. A diet rich in fiber, fruits, and vegetables promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, while a diet high in processed foods and sugars can lead to an imbalance. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management contribute to a healthier gut microbiome. The importance of maintaining balanced gut flora cannot be overstated. A well-balanced microbiome supports digestion, immune function, mental health, and weight management. When the balance is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis can occur, leading to various health issues, including inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and anxiety disorders. In summary, Understanding the relationship between gut bacteria and health empowers us to make informed lifestyle choices that promote a thriving gut microbiome. By prioritizing gut health, we can enhance our overall well-being and enjoy a better quality of life. The top 5 best supplements for gut healing. Regarding promoting gut healing, several supplements can play a vital role in restoring balance and improving overall digestive health. Here are 5 effective options to consider. 1. Probiotics. These live bacteria are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. They can help restore the balance of good bacteria, improve digestion, and enhance immune function. Common strains include Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. While generally safe, some individuals may initially experience mild digestive upset. 2. Prebiotics. Unlike probiotics, prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, prebiotic supplements can promote the growth of healthy gut flora. They are usually well tolerated, but excessive intake may lead to bloating or gas. 3. L-glutamine. This amino acid is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. L-glutamine can help heal leaky gut syndrome and improve nutrient absorption. While it is generally safe, some people may experience gastrointestinal discomfort or headaches. 4. Digestive enzymes. These supplements aid in breaking down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. They can be particularly beneficial for individuals with digestive disorders. Side effects are rare but may include mild digestive upset or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. 5. Zinc carnosine. This combination of zinc and the peptide carnosine has been shown to support gut health by promoting the healing of the intestinal lining. While it is generally safe, high doses may lead to nausea or gastrointestinal discomfort. Before starting any supplement regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are appropriate for your individual needs and health conditions. My favorite probiotics and prebiotics. Incorporating high-quality probiotics and prebiotics into your routine can make a significant difference when supporting gut health. Here are some of my favorite products that I recommend. 1. Garden of Life Doctor Formulated Probiotics. This product contains a blend of 50 billion CFUs from 16 different probiotic strains. It's designed to support digestive health and boost immune function. The capsules are shelf-stable, making them convenient for daily use. After incorporating this probiotic into their routine, many users report improved digestion and reduced bloating. 2. Culturelle Daily Probiotic. Known for its effectiveness, Culturelle contains Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, a strain extensively studied for its health benefits. This probiotic helps restore gut balance and supports overall digestive health. It's also gluten-free and suitable for various dietary needs. 3. Prebiotic Fiber by Hyperbiotics. This prebiotic supplement features organic acacia fiber, which nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. By promoting the growth of good bacteria, it helps improve digestion and regularity. Users often notice enhanced energy levels and reduced cravings when adding this prebiotic to their diet. 4. Prebiotin Prebiotic Fiber. This product effectively supports gut health by combining inulin and oligofructose. It helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and overall gut function. Many users appreciate its tasteless formula, which can easily be added to smoothies or meals. Incorporating these probiotics and prebiotics into your daily routine can lead to better digestion and overall gut health. You should try them and see how they can positively impact your well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a healthy life. Improving your gut health. Enhancing your gut health is a journey that involves making mindful choices in your daily life. Here are some actionable tips to help you on this path. 1. Dietary changes. Focus on incorporating a diverse range of whole foods. Aim for plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, as these foods are fiber-rich, nourishing, and beneficial to gut bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics that can help restore gut balance. Additionally, limit processed foods, added sugars, and artificial sweeteners, as these can negatively impact your gut microbiome. 2. Regular physical activity. Regular exercise benefits overall health and is crucial in maintaining a healthy gut. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Activities like walking, cycling, or yoga can help promote gut motility and enhance the diversity of gut bacteria. 3. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for optimal digestion and gut health. Water helps break down food, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider herbal teas or infused water for added flavor and benefits. 4. Stress management. Chronic stress can disrupt gut health by affecting the gut-brain axis. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your routine, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing self-care can significantly improve your gut health and overall well-being. By making these changes, you can create a healthier environment for your gut, leading to improved digestion and enhanced overall health. Start small and gradually incorporate these tips into your lifestyle for lasting benefits. We discussed how a balanced gut microbiome is essential for effective digestion, a robust immune system, and mental health. The connection between gut bacteria and our physical and emotional well-being cannot be overstated, highlighting the importance of nurturing our gut. We also shared actionable tips for improving gut health, including dietary changes emphasizing whole foods and fiber, the benefits of regular physical activity, and the significance of staying hydrated. Additionally, we touched on the importance of stress management in maintaining a healthy gut, as chronic stress can disrupt the delicate balance of our microbiome. Now is the time to take proactive steps to enhance your gut health. Whether incorporating more probiotics and prebiotics into your diet, exercising regularly, or practicing mindfulness to reduce stress, every small change can significantly improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from learning about gut health. We can spread awareness and empower others to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.